Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the stamp set called Cutest Crew. I don't have the dies for this one, you guys, so there's going to be fussy cutting. Just saying. This is Peach Pie cardstock, and it is last chance. So you might want to, it's a pretty orange. It's actually one of my favorites. So if you want, you can pop on by to the online store and get it before it sells out. Okay, this is a piece of basic white. I have used Memento Tuxedo Black ink and I'm coloring it. Welcome to the in colors. That was Hydrangea Hue. This is Barely Blush. We're moving into Crisp Cantaloupe. And the last one is Golden Glow. There is another one called Peaceful Pine, but I didn't want to have a green butterfly, so there. Okay, I'm not going to write all the colors down because, you know, it's a lot. This is cloud cover that I'm using with, I think I'm using Smoky Slate to make some marks on that darker kitty. And I am also, this is pumpkin pie, no, peach pie, I think. Or it might be pumpkin pie. There we are. Light and dark for the orange kitty. I made him the strange one because, you know, the orange kitties are the bit odd. This is a lovely calico girly. I was told that a cat that has more than 3 colors, normally it is a girly kitty. Boy kitties have a tendency to only have 2 colors. But I know that someone's going to say in the comments, nah, I have a boy kitty and he's got many colors. So, don't come at me. That's all what I've heard. So this is Smoky Slate. I'm going in with my, it's called a color lifter. It's kind of like a bleach pen. And I am doing this one with a white tummy. This is kind of like my kitty, Quinn. And then I thought I would do crumb cake for this one and make this one a Siamese. So a little bit darker on the tail and the ears. You know, I had some fun. I went into the calico and made her a little darker. Anyway, there's my kitties. There's the colors that I used. I'm using my sharp paper snips and we're going to fussy cut this out, including the butterflies. So I'm not going to bore you to tears with this. You're going to see me start it and then I finish it. So I'm a giver, you guys, so you don't have to watch me fussy cutting. And honestly, Monday Makes is supposed to be more simple. And I guess the way I looked at this, it's just a single stamp set. I didn't use the dies with this. I did, however, use dies for the rest of the card, but it's a simple layout. So I am using the Just a Little Hello Sentiment with Memento Tuxedo Black ink, and I am stamping on a piece of basic white that has been cut out with the Stylish Shapes dies. This is the second from the outside circle. So now I'm going to put our basic white piece of card front on my card base. And then I'm going to go in with the designer series paper or pattern paper. It's called Lovely and Beautiful. I started with the orange one or the peach pie one. And then I went in with the Fresh Freesia colorway, and this is kind of like a mixture of both. And I did it felt springy to me. I'm so into spring right now. I put the circle on some dimensionals and put that in on the center of my card around about, and then dimensionals on the back side of the kitties on one side, and then adhesive on the others. So I will leave links in the description box below in case you want to check out any of the products for yourself. And while you're there in the description box below, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. Really helps my small channel grow. I'm embellishing this card with the rainbow adhesive backed embellishments. They also are on last chance. There is a link to my online store directly in the description box below. And that is my card for today. So you guys, thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please leave me a lovely comment below. Tell me what kind of kitties you have. And I will be back on Wednesday. Also, I have a product share and an in color club. If you're Canadian and want to join or figure out what's going on, click the links below and check it out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.